boy. It's time for a game of Whack A Dane. Jack's all ready to go, even in the midst of renovations. There's Jack. Oh, you don't whack Ellie. No, you whack those other guys. Oh, that's a good picture of everyone. Yeah. Isn't that nice? No, it's raining out. You don't want to go out. What do you think, Jack? No, we're not going outside. Everything's good. Jack's just, he's dying to whack somebody here today. Look at those paws. I think you like this new, the new table on the back of the chair thing. It's working well for you, I see. Well, the flooring has begun. Oh, you're gonna give him a whack. You're gonna do the footsie thing? No, you cannot pull the pillow out from under Jack. No, the marble's balancing on that. No, no, no. All right, what do we think here? It's raining, but you can go out if you want to. Work our way out. All right, here we go. Good foot. Okay. Everybody out. Jack stays in. And the kids are out playing in the rain. Ellie doesn't want to get her ears wet. And I don't blame her. Yeah, nothing phases those two. Mischief and mayhem.